You're here to understand what 23andMe is all about, right?
And how does it work?
What does DNA even stand for anyway?
DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid.
I knew that.
You most definitely did not.
Your DNA is organized into 23 pairs of chromosomes, and it can tell you a lot about what makes you, you. There are two 23andMe services that can help you explore your DNA. One that focuses on ancestry, one that adds in health and traits. With 23andMe, you can discover where in the world your DNA comes from. You can even learn how you are connected to others by opting into 23andMe's DNA Relatives feature and connecting with people who share DNA with you. There are fascinating insights about your traits to explore.
Wow.
You can learn how genetics might influence your risk for certain diseases. But remember, other factors such as lifestyle and environment are important too. If you choose to, you can opt in to receive genetic health risk reports, like Parkinson's disease and late-onset Alzheimer's disease, free. Now, there's only one thing left to do.
We get to spit.
Not quite. First, you have to order your kit.
Okay, right.
Order your 23andMe kit online and choose either the Health and Ancestry or Ancestry service. After your kit arrives in the mail, read and follow the instructions. We value your privacy, and the instructions will help you register your online account before you send in your sample. Now,
We get to spit?
you get to spit. Fill the collection tube to just above the fill line. And remember, don't eat, drink, smoke, chew gum, brush your teeth, or use mouthwash for at least 30 minutes prior to providing your saliva sample. After you've spit, securely snap the cap to the tube, which releases the DNA stabilization buffer solution. Holding the tube upright, unscrew the funnel from the tube and discard. Use the small cap to close the tube tightly. Shake the cap tube for 5 seconds. Place the cap tube in the small plastic bag. Seal the bag and return it to the original box. The plastic clamshell is recyclable.
They've seriously thought of everything.
All that's left to do is to peel the strip and seal the box closed, then ship. You'll receive updates letting you know your sample is being processed. You'll be able to track your kit's journey to the lab through your private account. And then, about 6 to 8 weeks later, you'll receive an email letting you know your reports are in, and your genetic journey is about to begin.
Welcome to Embark. I guess you already met Harley. I'm Ryan, the CEO here, and as you can see, we have a dog-friendly office. But we also have a dog-friendly mission and product. And this is my brother Adam. We founded Embark together.
That's right, and our dog DNA test allows a dog owner to learn about their pup's breed, ancestry, health, and more with just a simple cheek swab. Using 100 times more genetic information than any other test, Embark offers the most accurate results.
Pet owners can extend their dog's lifespan by using our kit, which tests for over 250 breeds, over 160 genetic health conditions, and even traits.
But what keeps us coming to work every day is our mission to end preventable disease in dogs, one cheek swab at a time.
Because every time we add a dog's DNA to our database, the chance for a discovery increases. And with enough data and research, we could increase the lifespan of dogs, and eventually humans too.
But this is where it all starts, and ultimately where it ends, with the dogs.
Six months after we got Darwin, he lost his appetite. He was lethargic, disoriented, and he had a fever. The vet did all kinds of tests. X-rays, blood tests, and even a spinal tap.
A DNA test kit from Wisdom Panel can tell you what breeds are in your dog, and that can tell you a whole lot about how to make them happy and healthy.
That little bit of information was one of the missing pieces that helped us save his life.
Wisdom Panel. Dogs can't talk, but their DNA can.